Long ago, the gentle waves of the Arabian Sea carried more than ships. They brought a magical fusion of words to South India's shores. Arab traders and Tamil and Malayali locals wove Arwi and Arabi Malayalam, blending Dravidian melodies with Arabic's graceful script. These languages, now nearly forgotten, once buzzed with life, uniting people through trade, faith, and poetry. Their story is a thrilling tale of connection, begging to be revived. If you're loving this adventure, please do like, share, and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital to discover more hidden gems of history. This captivating tale begins with the monsoon winds that swept Arab merchants to Tamil Nadu and Kerala as early as the 7th century CE. Drawn by the promise of spices, pearls, and textiles, they built thriving coastal colonies, forging deep ties with locals that grew richer with Islam's spread. Intermarriages blended Arab and Dravidian cultures into vibrant Muslim communities. And to bridge their worlds, they created Arwi and Arabi Malayalam. These languages used Arabic script to write Tamil and Malayalam, with Arwi expanding Arabic's 28 letters to 40 to capture Tamil's distinct sounds and Arabi Malayalam adapting from Malayalam's unique tones. More than mere tools for trade, these scripts became vibrant symbols of a shared identity, sparking a creative surge that would resonate for centuries. From this cultural harmony bloomed a literary golden age that pulsed with diversity and soul. Between the 8th and the 19th centuries, Arwi and Arabi Malayalam gave life to thousands of texts, poetry, religious treatises, medical manuals, and women's writings that wove the fabric of their communities. In Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka, around 2,000 Arwi books have been found, with countless others likely hidden. While the British Library preserves treasures like a 20th century Arabic Malayalam Bible, women left a powerful mark, penning works on the childbirth, love, and cuisine, reflecting their matrilineal strength. Songs like the Mubarak Malai, a poetic tribute to the Prophet Muhammad, still ring out in Kalyanpatnam's women's gatherings. Their melodies binding faith and community. Arwi also served as a gateway to Islamic scholarship, helping TamilMuslims master Arabic texts with precision, deepening their spiritual connection in ways that transcended language. The lifeblood of these languages flowed through the bustling trade routes that defined South India's coasts. Arab merchants, eager to connect with Tamil and Malayali locals, embraced Arwi's streamlined 40-letter alphabet, far simpler than Tamil's 247 characters, as a practical tool for commerce. Historian Torsten Schacher notes that trade, not just religion, drove the Arabic script's use, with texts often crafted in both scripts to reach wider audience. Beyond utility, these languages shaped identity, with Arwi a proud emblem of Tamil Muslims, dual Tamil and Muslim heritage. Cherished in Sri Lanka as the most beloved, despite some Tamil nationalist tensions, in Kerala, Arabi Malayalam nurtured the Mappila Muslim identity, its Sufi-inspired poetry like the Muhyiddin Mala blending Malayalam's lyricism with Arabic spiritual depth. Yet, as the tides of history shifted, these vibrant languages faced a storm that threatened to silence them. The decline of Arwi and Arabic Malayalam unfolded slowly, swept away by the currents of colonialism and modernization. In the 19th century, British rule disrupted ancient trade networks, imposing English as a language of power and education. Standardized Tamil and Malayalam scripts rose, and with fewer Arabic calligraphers, these hybrid scripts faded into the shadows. Political changes further dimmed their light as Tamil Muslims leaned into their Tamilness during India's nation building, sidelining Arwi, while similar trends quitted Arabi Malayalam in Kerala. By the 20th century, these languages were mostly confined to religious spaces, their scripts nearly lost. Scholar K.M.A. Ahmed Zubair mourns their decline as a big loss to a Tamil Muslim heritage, a sentiment echoed by a Sri Lankan woman who treasures Arwi books as part of her heritage, even as a fewer can read them. Yet, from this quiet fading, a new hope is rising. A revival is stirring as scholars, activists, and communities rally to breathe life back into Arwi and Arabi Malayalam. In Kerala, institutions like the Mappila Heritage Library are digitizing rare manuscripts, while advocates push for these languages in the schools. Social media is also amplifying the effort, with X posts spotlighting discoveries like the 1905 Gospel of Luke in Arabi Malayalam, and Reddit's Dravidiology community exploring Arwi's role as a Tamil register enriched by Arabic. Muhammad Ali's transliterations of Arwi songs into Tamil keep the tradition alive, while Kalyanpatnam's women sing on, preserving history in melody. Though challenges remain, scarce calligraphers and English dominance loom large, hope shines bright. Zubair envisions a renaissance, If communities and universities champion this legacy, ensuring these languages continue to inspire, Arwi and Arabi Malayalam are more than forgotten scripts. They are living stories of a world where Arab traders and South Indian locals built bridges of culture. Born from trade and enriched by faith, they reflect humanity's gift for blending differences into beauty. Their decline mirrors history's upheavals, but their revival shows our hunger to reclaim what makes us unique. From Kalyanpatnam's singing circles to Calicut's digital archives, these languages whisper of connection across time and place. By saving them, we honor a dazzling past and weave a brighter, more inclusive future. One where every voice, like the waves that brought these languages, is heard. If you have watched the video till here, please do like, share and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital, and please do comment and let us know what you think about this story.